Hiya, I'm going to show you how to do a hip carry with a Connecta and Integra. You just clip your waist part onto the side and bring the panel like that, just folding over. Then grab a baby. Luckily we've got an eager baby here. So this is quite a big baby, he's 20 months now. So bring your baby on the hip and then you're going to support him. Bring the panel across like this, so make sure you're always holding your baby. Now, to do a hip carry, you need to bring the strap under your armpit, like this. Give a good pull, make sure it's not twisted. And then you're going to bring the webbing here across. Watch out for your hands, and then give a good pull. With the Integra, it is double adjust, so I can pull this way or both. Okay. And then we're going to bring this strap across my body like this. So the idea of the hip carry is to give some visibility, so don't have it too close to the face and more like across. Pull down, and you want to loosen it a little bit, and then you want to clip on the other side like this, and then you retighten whichever side you need like this, and then bring it across. Give your baby a good pelvic tuck, so bum over the knees, and that's it. You've got a hip carry. It's super handy for breastfeeding as well, so you can just lower everything like this, give a little bit of a loosening on each side like that, and then you can put baby straw on the breast. Do you want some boob, Sebastian? No, it's not interesting. But you can feed your baby like that, and then you can do the hip carry on the other side as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.